This video is sponsored by Value Testers, where all prices are negotiable. Best online store for field piece, Bacharach, and tester equipment. Special free 2-day shipping available on selected seasonal products. Link in description below. Morning guys, April 2nd, 2019. This one here I gotta go back to that job where they had that real high relief valve set up there. He says the relief valve's leaking. So he's got glycol in the heating system. So he said it's been in there a long time. I got to go there and drain all that stuff out of it and put in new. So I picked up some glycol and I picked up some new glycol I got in the truck. I got 15 gallons, and I'm gonna go over there and drain that out. Check the expansion tank. I think the problem is the expansion tank that's bad. And I'll put a new relief valve. We'll take that ball valve off that relief valve, all that mess that guy put on there, and we'll change all that. We'll clean that back. We'll clean that up where it should be. I don't like to have that ball valve on there, and that tall. I don't know what the hell he put that on there for. I have no clue. Well, I think the problem is the expansion tank is bad, building pressure. We'll check it. It might be the coil. Could be the feed is bad. Most likely it's that tank. So we're going over there and try to get some shots. Talking about the truck's got a little skip to it. It does have a little. I think it might be bad fuel that I ended up putting in there. Ever since I put some fuel in at Cumberland's, it seemed to be skipping a little bit. So I'm trying to run it with extra fuel in it. Trying to, keep adding fuel. Try to flush that old shit out of there. So I don't know. I might need an injector. You can hear it. It only does it when it's warm. When it's cold, it idles fine. Idle's a little rough when it gets warm, so it might be an injector, it might be the ECM, or it might be bad fuel. I'm not sure yet, but we'll get it ironed out. Look at that shit coming out of there. I'm flushing all the glycol out. Gotta give it a good flush. Flush all the zones out good, and then we'll drain the boiler, put in new. Yeah, it's running clear. That's what we want. I got the purge stations up there. Giving them a good purge, flush them all out good. You've had them freeze up in the attic, the handler in the attic?
Wait, the first, when we built it, maybe the first year.
First company unit froze up there?
Yeah, the first winter, I guess they didn't. Whatever they didn't do.
We're just giving it a good rinse, get all that stuff out of there. So when we drain it down, we'll put in the new stuff, flush out as much as we can. got no pressure in it. It's junk. Well, that's the problem. We're draining out. We're draining out the boiler. Drain out as much as we can. We'll put in new. Tank's bad. Put a new tank, a new relief. Here I'm pumping in up through the system and then back out. 2 purge stations right there. A new tank in. Lower the relief valve down. Back on, restore these valves. Now when we run it, it shouldn't build pressure. And you said the guy just cleaned it, huh? Alright, so we'll use this relief valve. We just lowered it down, took all that other mess out. Add a new glycol to system, new expansion tank purge zones. We're running the heat right now. Make sure that the pressure don't come up. Good, reinstate the feeder. That's new. I did lower this down a little bit, the pressure. Sometimes you get stuck and they feed by. It's
put sterile tank.
Right. So this is not that old.
No, that's only maybe 6 years.
Yeah, it don't look like it's rising. I think it's gonna be okay right there. Yeah, because you know, like I said, if that tank's got a pinhole leak in it, it's filling slow. We'll leave a bucket under it just to be safe, right?
Yep.
So if it leaks in a bucket, not all over the floor.
Right.
We know we got a new tank there. I don't see anything leaking. We'll let it ride.
Yeah.
We installed the heads. They're all 3 are back. Levers are up. These ball valves are open. No leaking. No leaks.